Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. This time I will make a tutorial on how to edit photo with Photoshop. The first, we enter the photo that we will edit into Photoshop. After that, we click this icon and select selective color. If it appears like this, we fill in the black numbers with min 20. With min 50 and yellow 10. And back. After that, click this icon again and select vibrance. Once it appears, we fill vibrance with min 20. Then come back. As before, we click on this again and select the mixer channel. After it appears like this, on the output channel, we change to blue. Then in green, we write the number 100 and leave the rest 0. And after that, on the layers, we select lighten. Then we click on this again and select a gradient. We checklist the reverse and align with layer section. And in the style column, we select radial. After that, we just need to adjust it according to our wishes. Okay, if you think the color is not too flashy, we can remove the A on the selective color layer and it will look like this. And almost done. I think this is better than before. For the final stage, we make this a photo by selecting the file, that clicking Save As and select the JPG or PNG format. And save. Yep, done. Maybe that's enough for my video tutorial this time. Hope it can be useful for everyone and thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.